In this final video, we'll look at the Reports and Document Vault sections of your client portal. Let's begin with the Reports section. As a reminder, throughout the portal itself, you can interact with your information in real time by changing date ranges, filtering accounts, and drilling down into additional details. To get to the Reports section, click on the paper on the left-hand side of your client portal. The Report section allows you to download convenient snapshots of certain information that you can save or print for your records. To generate a report, simply choose the report you'd like to view. Select if you'd like to run it for a household, a certain registration, or an account, and then you can also pick a date range. Finally, you'll click the Generate button. It will generate a PDF that's downloaded to your computer that you can save or print. Next, let's look at the Document Vault. You get to the vault by clicking on the folder icon on the left-hand side of your client portal. Once in your Document Vault, you'll see folders, the first being Available Downloads. This includes documents that we've shared with you, such as regulatory disclosures, our privacy notice, and other documents related to your relationship with Tandem Growth. Next is the Portfolio Statements folder, which contains your quarterly portfolio reports prepared by Tandem Growth, organized into folders by year. This is another place you can securely send files to the Tandem Growth team by using the Upload button. That concludes our Client Portal tutorial series. We hope these videos help you get the most from your client portal. As always, if you have any questions or would like assistance navigating the portal, please don't hesitate to contact your Tandem Growth advisor. We're always happy to help.